And then, ito yung mga, this is old telephone. See the old telephone. Telephone. Yan yung mga telepono ng araw. Yan. Yan mga telephone ng araw. This is the telephone. That's the telephone those days. See how they keep it old souvenir on the shop. There. I think you guys remember this one, old telephone. Matatandaan nyo yung mga lumang mga telephone. Yan.